Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and now we will talk about a few tips and tricks for APTET exam. Strategically arrange your time. Arrange your study routine beforehand, allotting time for every subject. Solve sample question papers on mathematics. Sample question papers offers an inspiration concerning the topics, the quality expected and also the skills needed. Observe and solve issues extensively. Read completely different articles. The additional, you browse different articles. The additional, it will facilitate in prying the comprehension section. It will facilitate to accumulate speed and precision. Key skills required to try to do well during this section. Enhance your speed and accuracy. Initially, solve papers subject-wise and maintaining stipulated time limit. Thereafter, solve a complete model paper or previous paper to envision if you'll end in time. Though speed is a crucial side, accuracy is predominating. Intensive observe helps you to deliver the goods each.